Hey everyone, hey, it's Nick from Founders Live here, and we're really focusing on creating economic access for women in tech. And we do that through what we call entrepreneurial equality. And we focus on really creating opportunities for, access and exposure and opportunity for growth for any entrepreneur and founder around the world, but specifically women in tech. And we're excited to do that. We're excited to partner with Women in Cloud, and just happy to be here. Thank you.